havin summer. Hun havine kengeten. When do you come in summer? Kenge or kengi, we have two types of it. It will be kenge or it will be kengi for saying when. Hun then, this one means you are coming, and this n suffix is the personal pronoun suffix for hun. So hun then means you are coming, and this a is the object suffix for feminine words. Hun havine kenge den. Here we have hurkeren hurbke means grinding. As liver cehe hurdikum, I'm grinding bali here. Hurdikum means breaking, smashing or grinding something, and our verb here is hurkeren hurbke. So we are conjugating this part with our verb, so it becomes hurdikum. We are dropping this one while conjugating, and this is our verb. As hurdikum, I'm grinding, and cehe for saying bali. Mush means fresh apricot. As rasti khabatkare mashmashan hatim. Rasti khabatkare mashmashan hatim. We came across a fresh apricot worker. So rasti hatin means we came across someone, and the one you came across, you put it right here. So here our verb is rast hatin. We came across a fresh apricot. So mushmush means fresh apricot, and the dry one usually used with a qaisi for saying dry apricot. We use this.